हाँ जी students, in the morning some student has told me some problem, some question which are not clear to them. Of exercise 10.1, question number 1 B part, question number 8, question number 9, question number 10. Now I am solving this question. Watch the video carefully and complete your exercise. Okay, now firstly see first question B part. This value of x and y are given and you have to find whether x and y are directly proportional. See, when you have to check whether the x and y are directly proportional, you have to find their constant value by dividing them. Now, when you divide 0.5, divide by 0.2, and its answer is 5.2. When to divide 2 by 0.8, 2 by 0.8, then it's also is 5.2. When you divide 3.25 by 1.3, then its answer is also 5.2. 325 upon 130 divided by its HCF 65, and then answer is also 5.2. When you divide 6.6 divided by 2.4, 60 upon 24 divided by its HCF 12, and its answer is also 5.2. Means constant value of all these is 5.2. Since the constant value is same, so we can say that x and y are directly proportional here. Okay, now it's question number 1 B part. Now see question number 8. See, firstly clear the statement what is given and what you have to find. In a library, 136 copy of certain books require a shelf length of 3.4 meter. How many copies of the same book would occupy a shelf length of 5.1 meter? Means if the length of the shelf is given 3.4 meter, then number of copies can be placed there 136. And you have to find if the length of the shelf is 1.1 meter, then how many books can be placed there? But देखो, when length was 3.4 meter, the number of copies can be placed there 136. If length is increased, then number of copies will also be increased. So it's a case of direct variation. In direct variation, how we solve? We solve them by 136 upon 3 upon 4 equal to 5.1. And by finding the value of x from here, we get x upon 5.1 equal to 136 upon 3.4, and x equal to 136 multiply 5.1 upon 3.4 equal to 204. Hence the number of copies can be placed there is 204. Clear? Now see ninth question. Firstly clear the question what is given and what you have to find. The cost of 14 bags of tea packed, each packed weighing 2.5 kg is 1050 rupees. What is the cost of 15 bags of tea packed, each packed weighing 1.5 kg? Means you have to find the cost of 15 bags of tea, each packed weighing 1.5 kg. See, firstly we have to find the total weight of tea. Firstly see the given part. 14 bags of tea packed, each packed contain weighing 2.5 kg. How much total weight of tea? 14 multiplied 2.5. Total weight of tea is 35 kg, and its cost is given 1050 rupees. This is the given part, and you have to find the cost of 15 bag of tea packed. Each packed is weighing 1.5 kg. Firstly, we will find the total weight of tea whose cost is to be find out. So we multiplied 15 by 1.5 kg and we find its total weight of tea. 15 into 1.5, 22.5 kg whose cost is to be find out. Okay. Now see, when the total weight of 35 kg, then its cost is 1050 rupees. When the total weight of 22.5 kg, then cost of that tea is to be find out. Now see, देखो, when weight is 35 kg, then its cost is 1050. When weight is less, then the cost will also be less. It means it's a case of direct proportion. In direct proportion, we will equalize them by 1050 upon 35 equal to x upon 22.5, and from this equation we will find the value of x by transposing 22.5 to right hand side. We get 1050 multiplied 22.5 divided by 35, and we get 23,625 by multiplying this divided by 35, and we get 675. So the required cost of 22.5 kg of 22.5 kg of tea is 675 rupees. Okay. Now check 10th question. Firstly, clear the statement. If the thickness of 500 sheets of paper is 3.5 centimeter, what would be the thickness of 275 sheets of this paper? Means, if thickness of 500 sheets of paper is 3.5 centimeter, what would be the thickness of 275 sheets of paper? Let the thickness of 275 sheets of paper be x centimeter. Now we will make the table. Firstly, we will write which is the given thickness of paper, which is given 3.5 centimeter, and number of sheets of paper is given 500. देखो when 500 शीट्स ऑफ पेपर थे तब उनकी थिकनेस थी 3.5 सेंटीमीटर. जब नंबर ऑफ शीट्स रिड्यूस हो गए, डिक्रीज हो गए, तो उनकी थिकनेस भी डिक्रीज हो जाएगी. तो इट मीन इट्स अ केस ऑफ डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन. In direct proportion, we equalize them by dividing them. Now 3.5 divided by 500 equal to x upon 275. So by transposing 275 to right hand side, we get 3.5 multiplied 275 divided by 500, and we get 962.5 divided by 500, and we get 1.925 centimeter. Hence the thickness of 275 sheets of paper is 1.925 centimeter. Okay. Firstly, watch all the example carefully, and after that, after clearing the exam, these question, complete your exercise. Okay.